Hey y'all, so this is a little sign that I've had for a long time that I want to DIY it into something else. I want it to go in my guest bathroom because there's a space that just needs something hanging there. So I've decided that I'm going to paint it and put some different words on there. Now, I don't have the best handwriting in the world, so I'm going to use these little stencil letters. And I know they're kind of small, so I may end up, I don't know, but that's my plan. I'm gonna use the stencil letters. I'm gonna paint this. The colors of that bathroom is black, white, and gray. So I'm gonna have some of it black, some of it white, and some of it gray. And I'll do the words, like the opposite of whatever color the background is. So I have some black chalk paint. I have some white acrylic paint. And that's what I'm gonna be using. All right. All right, y'all, and this is the finished look. I just hung it back where it used to be. It used to be in my hallway, just so you guys can see it hanging up. It's going to be hanging up in that bathroom in that one spot that I said needed something. This is where it's going to go. That's where it's going to go. I'm going to do a little dusting some of that glitter off. Feel like it's got a little bit too much glitter right here, but other than that, this is what the finished look is. Let me get a picture. Post in the comment section what y'all think about this nice little wall decor for my bathroom.